Hey viewers, welcome to the Marketing King channel. Today we will show you 5 best gas lighter, which will help you to take your life one step further. Then the names of 5 best gas lighter are known. I made the list based on personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and positive feedbacks of the real users. If you need more information about these products and discount offer, please check the link description section below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Sufro